Hello, hello, hello. It's Tips for Your Voice one more time. This is part 3. We might even tag on another one. Let's see. We took care of the people who have higher sounds and we want to put more bottom in them, but everybody can utilize these, right? Then now we want the people who need more top end in their voice. So this would be you belters, the ones that are doing really loud like I did, and thought it was stupid to have the high notes, which it was just, I was stupid. Yes. And people who, the guys who are doing chest voice, and you're not really able to get that falsetto happening. So we're going to do the exercises, and I'm going to start, well, fairly low and bring it up. Remember, you want to do the same, even though it might be a lighter sound, you want to do the same support, the same breathing. Yes, hello. Right, one more time. I'm going to show you, you're going to have different ways of being able to do this, right? But here, all right, you're going to be able to come out in this area. You want the sound high off the roof. Okay, all right, I got an itchy. Oh, all right, we're going to start up, not real high. And I had this fixed, and it's broken still. Okay, I'm going to go down here. Okay, let's start down here. Now remember, if you are used to being loud all the time, you're going to have to pull back on your sound. Mouth is still nice and open. And we're doing an ah for an opening. Think about in the back of the throat, and it's page 104 in my book, honey. 104. Now remember, we're just starting. You've got to look on that page because you're going to see all the way in the back that you've got to lift the arches in the back and the soft palate. Okay, so oh, I remembered where we were. As you go lower, don't get louder. Stay light, stay open. That's that note that was just fixed. Oh, an ah, cheekbones up. Ah. Now here's where you're going to have a little bit of transition. There it is again. Notice I'm staying light, I'm not getting loud at all. Think of being open from front to back here. That's it, light, 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 lighter than you want. Now if it starts to break up, don't worry about it, keep thinking it. Even if you can't do it, think it. Come along with us. A silent H in the beginning. That'll help you. A silent H in the very beginning. Now some of you can do these notes. Some of you are saying, you're crazy, lady. You know, I know. Light, light, lifted. Notice my fingers are like this. That's the vocal folds. Push them together. Again. Now I'm going to go back down. Those of you who love singing and have a great voice, singing voice, and you have no problem with the highs, you just wanted to exercise, great. This is good for beginning, okay? Because we're not going that high. So you can still utilize this exercise. Light, light. Don't get louder. Stay light. Stay light. Stay lifted and light. LL. Think up high. As you go lower, think up high. Nice work. Keep going. Support the tones. Stay out. Don't pull in. Oh, there's that note. I'm determined to do the video though. Rather play it that time. Light, very light. Naturally, chest will come in, but you cannot push it. That's it, very light. Gentlemen, keep going, very light. Your chest voice is in there, okay? And then we'll talk after. Keep lifted up. Notice I still stay open. One more. Again, watch that the lower lip doesn't go in. You really want to watch. If you have, you have like a glitch and it starts getting precarious as you're going down, and the muscles, you start going off the notes, it's because you're going into an area where chest voice wants to take over, and the muscles go, what's going on? What do you want? And you just got to tell them, it's okay, honey. And just know that you've got to stay light. Okay, and then transition. Go ahead, go into chest voice until your muscles get used to the fact that you've got to stay light down there, and it will smoothly go in to chest voice, okay? And that's on the way down. A lot of times that'll happen, or you're going up, chest voice, then go into head voice. Go all the way up though. You've got to lighten earlier. You cannot stay loud and then all of a sudden lighten. It's too hard on the muscles then, and they just won't respond. Okay, they won't respond easily, and then you'll think, oh, I can't do this. And if you start having a problem, gentlemen, if you start having a problem as you go up, right in here, remember that you've got to get that silent H going, get that air going through. The vocal folds, as you go higher, are longer and thinner. If you've got too much air in there, you've got to think of them coming together. Longer and thinner, the air is passing underneath. Get some air to pass with it, and you're going to get the notes, okay? I hope you enjoyed this. I tell you, it's really, really going to help you. If you utilize this, come back, do it again. Do the first one. It applies to everybody, no matter what. Okay, they all apply to everybody. Some people need this more than they need the other one. It just depends, okay? Now, I'm going to remind you about my singing class, Singing for a Lifetime, as my chair is crinkling. Okay, Singing for a Lifetime is a group situation. We go over exercises. I change them all the time. We don't just do I do sentences. We do words. It's so much fun. Join us. Go to marquitawaters.com and sign up. You'll love it. We go live every Thursday, 4 times a month, and then you have it all week long. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Ring-a-ling the bell, honey, okay? Oh, you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Yes, cause it's, here she goes. Such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Yeah, 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 yeah. Bye.